Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of November 11th through the 17th in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company using this cozy fall kit by CoffeePlannerMom. So like I said, this is the kit by CoffeePlannerMom. Unfortunately, her shop is closed, so sadly you can't get this kit, but I still wanted to use it because I have so much from this kit and I thought it would be perfect for the fall time and for November. So that's what I decided to use for this week. I am on Practical Paper Company's PR team who made this planner, so if you guys are wanting to save some money off of your order, use my code. It is PPCMegan, and it'll save you some money off of your order. So like I said, this is what we're going to be using for this week, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so let's start with this washi. Well, these are layering pieces, but I love her layering pieces. They are probably some of my favorite things that she has in her shop. Well, had, past tense, unfortunately. They are just so fun and I love them. I can't say enough about how awesome they are. I'm a huge fan of like torn paper and like ripped things, so this is definitely my aesthetic. I really like just the way that these look on a planner spread. I think they are so fun. So as you guys know, I am a little obsessed with using layering pieces like this. That was not even close to even on this page. Hopefully I can readjust it without ripping the planner or the sticker. So far we're okay. So that's all we can ask for, right? Okay, there we go. A little better. Let's do a little pumpkin action here. Let's go with it. Okay, now we'll do the dates. So how has the month been going for you guys? This has been an okay month. It's been stressful, but it's been okay. And I am excited to see my sister and brother-in-law. They are coming down actually at next week, I think. They are coming down for a wedding, and then we are spending an early Thanksgiving with them. So I am very excited about that. I've been needing some sister time, so I'm very excited that they are coming to see us. We are having like a chill Thanksgiving. We're not really doing anything. Just because this has been rough for all of us. So we decided to just have a relaxed, you know, carefree Thanksgiving this year, just in general. I think I'm gonna layer it like this and then grab one of those quotes. So yeah, that's our Thanksgiving plans for this year. My sister and I are still going to have our own Thanksgiving, but I actually have to work on Thanksgiving this year, so I'm going to make sure that this has been fun for me to just relax and enjoy the time that I have. I know I'm being so cryptic. I'm not really explaining anything, but I'm just, like I said, it's been a month. It's been a year. It's been some time. We are just all trying to get through 2024, but like in a good way, you know? Like it's a good thing. It's just been rough. I really love this weekend sticker. I think it's so fun. I don't want to take up too much space though. So we're going to put it right there. So that way it's not taking up too much of Friday. Okay. Boxes. Let's do these. I think we also have one more in this color. Kind of doing so great with everything, you guys. I'm just not picking boxes correctly. Okay. Okay, well, this is not going to work. And I thought to have all of these are not going to be. It's not going to happen. That's okay, though. Where did the other ones go? Okay. Let's do... I guess we can do these 3 small ones, right? Not a big deal. Because these are for my Sarah Lynn art posts. So I like to have boxes to do that because they aren't part of like my actual postings on my Instagram. They're part of Sarah Lynn Art's TikTok because I run her TikTok, which is very fun. I like doing that. Makes me happy. You know what? Where did that go? I like this one. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Okay. Okay, so we have 2 more big boxes that we can use for layering, and I actually think we are gonna put them, I didn't even know if you could see that. Sorry if you couldn't. We're gonna put them here and layer that other quote over it. We have fall is proof that change is beautiful and drink apple cider. Yeah, we're definitely gonna put this one over there. Always have to be careful when peeling up. Sometimes I always rip them because I get too excited and then I just rip it open. Okay. And we'll put a little Ella over there. This is a squirrel that Brittany, who was the owner of CoffeePlannerMom, and she's still here on YouTube. She made that, she drew that, she hand draws these stickers, by the way, but she had a squirrel in her like yard, and so she drew that to just make it fun for, I don't know. I don't really know the whole story of why she did that, but I think it's fun. Oh, look, this one says, there's another quote. Oops. Oh, well, that's okay. I actually do need to grab some of the habit trackers that I have from her. So I need to make sure I have 5. These are from the Simplistic line, but I like them. Do a little layering here. It's okay. 1, 2. Oops, not too much layering though. Why am I so bad at this? There we go. 3, and then we'll do the other 2. Well, might have to move all of these up a little bit. Or over. There we go. I feel like we can fit this one right here. Ooh. We can, I just got to be careful when I add it. There we go. That's better. Okay. Anywho, let's get into the editing. So, actually, this is going to be the, oopsie, let go, important for any of the important information that I need to have for the week. Put that there. And then we want to have our checklist for filming and editing. So let's do, I want to pull in some of that purple color, so we'll do that one. And we'll use this green one. So there's one there. And one here. We'll do these boxes. I do need to make sure I have a box for Facebook because I'm trying to post on Facebook more. At least a little bit more, you know, as much as I can. Put that right here, I think. And a little box to write that down. And then 2 more, so I want, oh, not that one. Let's do this one because that's talking about fall and pumpkins. And we'll use this box. Okay, so this is going to be for sales and any information for sales that I need to have. Oops, okay, well, hopefully that did not rip as much as I thought it would. There we go, that's what I wanted. And I do need a title for that though. So let's use, I have so many colors that I don't have. Okay, let's use the orange one. Oh no, let's do the green. Oh, okay. Just doing great here. Okay, there we go. This is too close, so if I can move it over, I wish, that's what I want for Christmas is undo. I need undo. I always like feel like I'm messing up the sticker when I like move it, but it is my planner. I can do what I want with it. It's just, I always feel bad. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Alrighty. I think that that is good. And now I just want to add the last little quotes here and then add the rest of the, what are they called? The layering pieces. We are going to put sweater weather right here because I think that's funny. And then we have one more quote, and I probably shouldn't add more quotes. We might have to save it because I don't want to make it too much, but doesn't mean I can't use it in something else. Okay. Oh, I need to add just a few more boxes. So let's do this purple one, and we'll put it right, no, put it here. Like that, and then add this guy. Okay, and then we will add this one here with another box at the bottom. Let's do this orange one. Okay. Add a little bit more to Wednesday, you know what I mean? Okay. And we'll do the pumpkins. Oop, that's a big pumpkin. Okay. Put one there. I was trying to do like small amounts of pumpkins, but apparently I wanted all of them. That's fun. Okay. And we have a little Ella here that we will use to complete this. We'll put little Ella right there. She's fun. I think these are the only leaves that we have, so we can add those somewhere. Not there. Okay. Oh, we do have some more. Okay, great. I'll put this one up there and add that leaf there. You guys can tell, I don't know, maybe you can't, but if you can't tell, I like to use deco a lot. I like cute little decorations and fun things in my planners because, I don't know, I think it's cute and fun to add happiness to your spread, however one can. Okay, and then we have one more pumpkin, and then I think we will be good to go. I'm just making a mess over here too. I'm just throwing stuff. Let's put that one there. Should I add another pumpkin somewhere? Maybe like right here? Yeah. All right, then let's just scour through to see. I like adding little fun bits and pieces. I think it's cool to do that. I feel like that's probably good. I like this. I think we're done. If I do anything else to it, I think it's going to be too much and I won't have room to write in it, which is the whole point of me doing this spread. So that is it for this week. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of how I've used this planner, you can check out the description box below. I will have my entire social media planner linked in a playlist. It will be linked there as well as at the end of this video, so if you guys want to see how I've decorated, you can check that out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.